afternoon viewers, you are still with me Risma Carmila from Breaking News 5. Tuesday, 7 June 2002. For another 5 minutes, I will accompany you to listen to the latest news today. The first is about related to the current flood condition that hit several areas of the capital city. And this is the first news. The heavy rain that spilled over the capital of Jakarta Tuesday morning soaked hundreds of homes in South Jakarta's Petagogan Road. Residents were forced to break through the flood to carry out outdoor activities. According to residents, this flood is different from usual because when it rains, the weather immediately cools quickly. Flooding has also affected a disruption of people's activities all around the site. Flood also took place on Ciledug Highway just outside South Jakarta. The 60 cm high floods made the motorists of 2 and 4 unable to move on, and sidecars were diverted to long road to reduce congestion. Meanwhile, to reduce flood, officials handed over a water pump to draw up the flood around Ciledug Highway. A number of areas in Jakarta were flooded with flooding, resulting in many vehicles breaking down. We have our reporter on the Bina Warga Rawajati area via Silviani. Good afternoon, Via. How is the traffic flow there? I can see that the flood has already hit the region.
Yes, good afternoon, Risma. I, Via Silviani, report live from Bina Marga Complex, Rawajati, Short, Jakarta. I can report that hundreds of homes in the area have been flooded by up to 1.5 meters as the waters are now rising to submerge of the doors of people. Flooding is expected to enter these housing areas since early morning, and is a flood of shipments from the Ciliwung River. From the information we have, around 500 residents in the area were affected by the flooding and have been provided with rubber boats to evacuate as well as with mobilization of citizens. Several residents have already begun to evacuate to the medical center and to the relief center. But there were also some citizens who choose to stay in their homes, most of them living on the second floor in their houses. Additional, around the state, there are well-equipped doctors who maintain availability to care for the elderly and toddlers. In the flood relief areas, public kitchenware was also opened by communities, especially residents of the Bina Warga complex. I return to Risma in the studio.
Well, Via, you say the water continues to rise, but there are still people around who choose to stay on the end floor of their homes. Why do they continue to stay and not choose to evacuate?
Okay, Risma. Yes, here indeed there are those who have evacuated first because they saw the rainfall, which is quite active. There are also those who choose to stay and survive on the ground, that they are waiting for the water to recede and waiting for the governor promise that the flood will withdraw in about 6 hours.
Thank you, Via, on your full report. Enjoy your work return. Yes, such viewers are just the latest news we can report. Welcome to continue activities. I'm Risma Carmila. Have a great day.